Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you Monday.com calendar tutorial for beginners. So this is a simple and easy guide for learning Monday.com platform. So first, you just have to simply sign up, go to Monday.com, and then you can sign up with your Google account, which I think is the easiest way to sign up, or you can also add your email address and password. So after that, it will take you directly to their homepage, and here's the first thing they will ask you, hey, what brings you here today? So you can just simply tell them it's about work, personal, or everything is up to you. Select what you like to manage first. So you can choose from any of this here. If you can't find one, then you can tap other and then continue. So basically our tutorial is all about calendar. So I'm going to pick the first one here, content calendar, and then after that tap continue. Now one last question, how did you hear about us? Then if you don't feel like answering this, you can just simply go and then click other and then continue. Now, if you're working with someone or you're a team, then basically you can add their email address here, and then you can set their role like admin or member. You can add more, and then after that you can tap next, or you can just do that later. So let's start working together. You can add a title of your project right here. For example, year of adventure 2024 travel destination. If you want to edit this, just feel free to delete something because I think I cannot proceed with the same title. So let me just input year of adventure travel destination, and then after that click next. Okay, so once you tap next, then you can select the relevant columns for your board. So you can add this to your board, but if you don't feel like adding any of this, then you can just proceed with next. Okay, get real-time insights with dashboard. You can add task by status, task by due date, or you can just do that later. Or if you don't want to add anything, just click next. So basically, I'm going to add calendar layout because this is our tutorial all about. Now you can list your project right here, but you can also do that later. So you can tap get started, and then after that it will take you directly to your dashboard or your homepage, and this is your monday.com. Basically, you can see here the main table where you can see all activities, no matter how you add a lot of layout or tables right here. In the main table, you can see all the activities and status. So if you want to start with your calendar project or calendar view, then you can tap calendar right here, or you can tap this plus icon to add calendar. For new tasks, you can add new task, group task, or import. New task, just add something here and then proceed. If you want to add widget, just click this plus add widget and you can add something. For example, if I want to add battery to see any progress of my activity or of my to-do list or my task, then I can add widget and I can see it below. Here I can see 33.3% done. Okay, so you can tap full screen if you want. You can duplicate or you can delete this widget. If you want to search something very specific, just search it right here. If you want to search for a person or filter it with this board with person, you can go and tap this person right here, person icon, and so on with the filter icon right here. Okay, so using Monday.com calendar layout or calendar view is way too easy. All you have to do is just simply click this new task right here, enter a new task. For example, I'm going to enter weekly to-do list. So for group, that's tab to do. For assignee this one, you can just simply click your name or email address. And then for status, let's just say this one is not here. I'm going to add a label or a status. You just have to click this plus icon and then add something like this one is in progress. And then after that, click apply. Then you will see that option right here. You can also change the color if you want to. Okay, so here in progress, I'm going to tap this one and then create this task. Okay, for example, I'm going to set this to this very specific date and then click create task. So you can just simply do that for the rest of the dates here. All you have to do is to click new task and then add new item and then set the date, also the status, and then click create a task. Basically, you can see it right here and you will know the status of the task or event because of your color status right here. Okay, so stock, in progress, working on it, or done. Okay, so that's the good thing about using this calendar layout or calendar table here in monday.com. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very colorful. And then again, if you want to add another calendar, you just have to click the plus icon and then add another calendar view. So here, these are boards, and if you tap dashboard and reporting, you can see here all tasks in progress, talk and done. In order for you to create a new board, just click this plus icon. Aside from creating new board, there are other options there, but let's just focus on this. So we're going to create a new board, and for this time I'm going to click this, or I'm going to create this for items and then create board. Now, let's just say I am going to create, or the reason why I create this board is for me to simply manage or create my adventure and travel to-do list. So basically, I'm going to show you how to create 4 calendars in one board. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you the first calendar I'm going to create is for my pre-trip planning. The second is for packing essentials. The third one is the pre-departure. The fourth is post-trip. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so for example, this one right here, adventure travel to-do list. So I want to simply add 4 calendars in this board. So let me decrease this one. And if you want to simply add another calendar within this board right here, you just have to click this, and then you have to look for these 3 dots. Then you will see the duplicate option. But first, let me rename this one. So for example, pre-trip planning. Now let me duplicate. Okay, again, tap this arrow facing down, 3 dots, and then duplicate, and wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So I'm going to rename this. First one is pre-trip planning. The second one here is for pre-departure. So let me duplicate again, and then I can see it below right here. Then I can rename this with packing essentials. And for the last one is for post-trip. Okay, so isn't it amazing, right? It's 4 calendars in one board, and you can see all upcoming events right here, even your to-do list and reminders. Okay, so basically, this is what it looks like. This is the advantage of using monday.com calendar layout or calendar view. And as you can see here, if you want to add widget, you can add more. For example, I'm going to add to-do list. Actually, there are tons of widgets right here, but only a few widgets are for free. If you want to use others, you need to upgrade your plan into pro version. So as you can see, I have added to-do list, and then I wanted to add a map widget. Actually, I wanted to add also a road tracker. Okay, I think there's a road tracker widget here, but for road tracker, I need to upgrade my plan. So if you want to use other widgets right here, you can just simply upgrade your plan. But for the meantime, let's just choose these widgets that are for free. So to-do list and map, and everything is up to you here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And if you want to simply add something, you just have to click this. For example, buy clothes or buy shampoo, or let's just say buy shoes, something like that. Everything is up to you. Okay, so if you want to add map, just click this one, and you can just simply add your location right here. Okay, so to add item, just click this plus icon and then add something right here. So as you can see, I have added events, reminders, activities. As you can see, I want to view what will happen, or any reminders or event or activity on that specific date. I'll just click a date, and here it is. The information is here, even the status of this event or this activity. Okay, so that's it. Now, basically, this is what it looks like, and this is how easy it is to use this monday.com calendar view or calendar layout. Here you can add events, you can add calendars in one board, you can add widgets, and basically that's it. You can also share this one if you want. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. This is how easy it is to create or to learn Monday.com calendar. So this one is Monday.com calendar tutorial for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.